Hi everyone! You will get this beautiful website even if you have absolutely no idea about website development. All you have to do is follow me in this short guide. This website is specially designed for conversion, optimized for search engines and popular browsers. It is lightweight and fast, very easy to customize, and is 100% mobile responsive. We will make this website in 3 easy steps. 1. Getting domain and hosting. 2. Importing website template. 3. Making minor adjustments. At the end of this video, I will show you how to create a corporate email like yourname@yourdomain.com as well. Let us start. Go to namecheap.com, choose Shared Hosting, and buy this plan. Here, you can add your domain and click Connect to Hosting. Then click Add to Card. This is the registration form. Fill in billing information. Just click Continue on this page. Fill in payment details and continue. Accept the terms and click Pay Now to complete the checkout. Let us proceed to the second step. Go to InstaSite.cc and choose Portfolio V1 template. You can find a direct link in the description. Click Buy Now and complete the checkout. After the checkout, you will see 2 files to download. One is the plugin that we will need to import our template, and the second is the actual website template. Download them onto your device. Now, log into Namecheap and go to the control panel to install WordPress into your site. Type WordPress and click the first option. Make sure you have chosen the right domain here. We don't want any updates out of our control, so disable auto update options and click Install. Click this link to switch to the WordPress admin dashboard. Go to Plugins, click Add New, and upload the plugin that was downloaded from InstaSite.cc. And click Activate. It is time to import the website template. Go to the WP Vivid backup link. Switch to the Upload tab and upload the template. This may take 2-3 minutes, depending on your internet speed. Now click Restore. Let us check our new website. Congratulations! Your website is ready. To edit your site, go to your domain/admin. This is your login and password. First of all, change your password as soon as you enter the admin dashboard. On every page, you will find a Help button, which will open a video guide about that page. Now, let us change the name and main image. Let's refresh the page and see the changes we made. That's it! Happy publishing! To create the corporate email, go to your hosting control panel. Type email and click Email Accounts. Then click Create. Fill in the name and password, and click the Create button.